everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soap Stories and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngekwababa. Well guys, niyazi mangabe weekend ngeni update ukuthi yini ongasoyilindele ke ey'torini zakho ke ozithandayo. So guys, abantu sebeqala ukudinwa ke ngami futhi sengiqala ukucikeka ngale ndaba yalomshado kaBahumi kanye ke noZwelakhe ukuthi awenzeki and we've been waiting. Mangabe ke ucheck ama-tears angoJuly kuyavela ukuthi cha umshado ngathi ugcina ungenzekanga kuhleze kuneyinkinga njena kuvela lokhu awenzeki kahle lo mshado, but ke guys they are fighting for i-relationship yabo bazama ngakho konke okusemandleni ukuthi ke bagcine ke behlala bobabili. Ifamily ke yakwa Mtawunge guys, after kufika uDumsane ezokhuluma ukuthi baneyinkinga banamabhadi ezifamily, so bafuna indodakazi yabo ke izosusa lawo mabhadi in a way. So ifamily kaBahumi have been skeptical to accept indaba ke yokuthi ke uBahumi ahamba ayogana ke kaMkhize. Umambokazi guys uzovula ke amehlo kaZwelakhe ukuthi bhuti we, ubaba wakho lo mdala uyena oyingozi kakhulu, uyena nje oyingozi kakhulu kuyona yonke lento, akafuni ukubona ushadile ke noBahumi. But ke guys they continue ukuthi bathume yena, they continue ukuthi bamethembe as much as bazi ukuthi ke uyingozi kangakanani. Wafika lapha ukhuluma enye into and ifamily yagcina ingazowala accepta ke amalobolo akwaMkhize. So umambokazi okhuluma ndodana yakhe ukuthi bhuti be careful, lo muntu lo uyingozi kakhulu, and uZwelakhe will confront umaluba omdala wakhe ambuza ukuthi wafike wathini kaMtawunge, nje wafike wathini kaMtawunge wena baba. So yeah guys, but nje storyline sabo siyadraga kakhulu. Abanye bayasithanda masidraga, but ngazi sesidraga kakhulu ke lesi because ever since istory siqalile we've been waiting for lo mshado. Kuvele okunye makho ashadanga, yebo washada, akabikwanga wabikwa. So manje angazi ukuthi delay engaka ke isivela ke kuphi. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.